complete this work? It has been so long that it has been pending, sir. Will the irrigation minister sahab enlighten us on SLBC tunnel issue and spell out? You have spoken, I said, sir, but I wanted to know when are we going to complete this? It is a very long pending project, sir. I hope that the government will immediately take it up more seriously and try to, complete all these projects, sir. Sir, also, Honorable Irrigation Minister Sahab has given a detailed PowerPoint presentation on the same issue also. Incidentally, in his second PowerPoint presentation on Krishna waters by the Honorable Minister Sahab, he had made an earlier presentation on Krishna waters on 12th February 2024 also. So we have all the patience, sir. We always sit, we always listen, we always see everything. The reason is that your interest is the state's interest. Your interest is for the people. So we do not want to show that we are not interested in this. We are more interested than you. We stand with you. But as far as the right of our waters and our share is that, we need to fight it more firmly, more strongly, sir. This is what is needed, sir. Sir, I may point out that I have spoken a dozen of occasions on irrigation sector, including Krishna River waters in the Assembly in last 2 years since the Congress resumed the power in December 2023, sir. Sir, as I had earlier said, sir, I'm repeating it again, sir, in my legislative career of 26 years in this August House, I might have debated on the irrigation sector more than 250 times, sir. I went and I counted. So this is my 251 times, sir. Sir, and sir, there are so many occasions that I have spoken on this. Like, sir, discussion of motion of thanks of governor's address, state budget, demand, grants, appropriation bill, governor's resolution, white paper statement, short discussion. Sir, but it is a sad commentary that for the last 7 decades, firstly in United Andhra Pradesh, from 1956 to 2014 and subsequently Telangana state since 2014, the successive governments have been unsuccessful in resolving the issue relating to river water sharing with neighboring states, sir. The successive governments have been unable to complete the irrigation project with a stipulated time frame or execute them. The original approved project cost resulting in extreme time and cost overruns, sir. The successive governments from Congress, Telugu Desam Party in United Andhra Pradesh and TRS, BRS and now Congress, Telangana state have sought to blame the earlier regimes for their own act of omission in the irrigation sector and river sharing, sir. River water sharing, sir. Sir, the present Congress government in the assembly session in last 2 years have presented white paper on Telangana state irrigation sector, introduced a government resolution on Krishna waters issue, allowed short discussion of Kaleshwaram project and Justice Panaki Chandra Ghosh Commission's inquiry report, apart from debates on demand for grants for irrigation sector for the financial year 2024-2025, sir. Sir, we have spoken extensively, sir. But what I have observed in 26 years is that, sir, we just keep on speaking. And I'm sorry to say, sir, irrigation projects have become an ATM, sir. Let it be anybody. Let it be anybody, sir. Mr. Ponna Lakshmaya was the irrigation minister then, I remember, sir. It has, I don't know what is happening, sir, and why is this happening. And, sir, more than the people of the states getting benefited, it is the contractors who are getting benefited, sir. Sir, we talk about the irregularities which has been happened by the BRS government. So why are we not looking into the irregularities of the contractors? Sir, sir, there are very few people who don't go from here to there or there to here. Usme se hame. Magar, sir, I'll tell you, sir, more than anybody, the real people who are enjoying the benefits of any government are the contractors. It was the same contractor who was the beloved, आंखों का नूर था, आंखों का तारा था, दिल के करीब था केसीआर साहब के, वही कॉन्ट्रैक्टर अब किसके आंखों का नूर है नहीं मालूम, इरिगेशन मिनिस्टर साहब की आंखों का तारा है या गवर्नमेंट का है या हमारे चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब के दिल के करीब है, क्या है नहीं मालूम सर, किसके करीब है नहीं मालूम। वो रहे तो उनके करीब रहा, ये रहे तो इनके भी करीब रहा। हाँ, इनके भी करीब है। यस यस, यू राइट सर, इनके भी करीब है, बहुत करीब है। अब मैं नाम लेना नहीं चाहता सर, नाम ले भी सकता हूं, इनके भी करीब है सर। ये इनके ऊपर इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए सर, क्यों इंक्वायरी नहीं होती सर? आप इरिगेशन की बात करते हैं सर। सर, आई हैव द रिकॉर्ड्स एंड अर्लियर आई हैव आल्सो स्पोकन अबाउट द सेम जेंटलमैन हु एवरीबॉडी इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग हु एम आई स्पीकिंग अबाउट। सर, दिस जेंटलमैन वाज allotted the painting of government school contract also. Yes. By who? The BRS. Sir, this same gentleman was also allotted furniture for government schools. Sir, iron schools, sir, I provide 20,000 children a free education. I have benches, I took benches, a same size of bench, which I took for 3,000. I was going it and I was seeing, sir, that gentleman was given a contract for the same length and breadth, same number of seater for 15,000. 15,000. We can imagine, sir, if the barrage has gone, if anything has happened wrong in the irrigation projects, why are we not holding them responsible also, sir? Why are we not handing over their irregularities also to CBI, sir? I know they are very close to them. CBI might not do justice, but at least we can have an inquiry, sir. We can expose them. We can say that what corrupt practice they indulged in. Sir, the same contractor, sir, I remember, sir. The same contractor, I remember, sir. Sir, I was seeing Uttam Kumar Reddy साहब presentation, पूरा सारी चीजें देखा साहब, पानी रखने के लिए जगह नहीं है, मगर सारी दूसरी चीजें तो है सर उसमें, क्योंकि पैसा था उसमें, आना था। Sir, the same thing happened, sir. When Mr. Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy साहब was there, sir, गोदावरी वाटर्स हैदराबाद के लिए लाने की बात करें सर। सर, वो जो सर पानी यहां है, तो पानी यहां है तो यहां से ऐसा लाइन जाना है ना सर, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता। नहीं सर, पानी आपके पास था, लाइन वहां से शुरू हुई थी सर। I raised it that time also. The same contractor. It was beginning for him then. He was a struggling contractor then. राजशेखर रेड्डी साहब का हाथ था, फिर वो हाथ के बाद में केसीआर साहब का, फिर उसके बाद में चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब, माफ करना बोलूंगा, आप बोलेंगे क्या बोल रहे हैं अकबर साहब, आप मेरे दोस्त हैं, आप जिसको बड़े भाई बोले उनका हाथ था। उनका हाथ, सबके हाथों के साथ एक कॉन्ट्रैक्टर। मैं सर, थ्रू यू सर, आई रिक्वेस्ट माई लर्नेड फ्रेंड, माई गुड फ्रेंड, a colleague who I respect a lot, who I look upon a lot, because he is my senior also. I have learned from him also, Mr. Uttam Kumar Reddy Sahab. Sir, kindly don't be close to such people, sir. You should write and give it from your ministry to the Honorable Chief Minister. We do not want such contractors. It is very important, sir. They are minting money, sir. No. आप परेशान मत होइए साहब, आप परेशान मत होइए। नहीं, आप परेशान मत होइए, आपको शेरवानी पहनने की भी जरूरत नहीं है। आपको पहनने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ आप एक ही काम करो। मैं इनको एक ही बात बोलूंगा सर, हिंदुत्व के चैंपियंस है। अगर मैं तो शेरवानी पहनने में फख्र महसूस करता हूं, माथे पे तिलक लगा के आ जाओ सर, बहुत टाइम देते, लगा के आ जाओ। शेरवानी मत पहनो, शेरवानी पहने तो क्या बोलेंगे, एमआईएम की बी टीम बोलेंगे आपको। वो मत पहनो, हमारे को बोलते हैं बी टीम बोल के, अब उसके बाद बोलेंगे हाँ ये तेलंगाना बीजेपी एमआईएम की बी टीम है बोलेंगे। तो आप